Hi guys, welcome to Statistics Bios on YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Mohanathanari. Now we are the discuss topic how to create a box plot in Excel software. This is the dataset. The dataset already did. We take the total 15 samples and the three variables. The first variable for the pH, next one for the EC, and third one for the DDS. Okay, now the created for the box plot in Excel software. Select the three variable dataset and go to the insert menu and the select for the chart and select for the box and whisker plot. Okay, now the created in the box plot for the Excel software. This graph is customized now, so the use for the plus symbol and the unclick for the grand line and choose for the legend options. Choose for the legend in the right side. Okay, now the created for the legend. Okay, now the select for the XHS. Okay, go to the format menu and the select for the format selection. Okay, open the new tab for the format access and the select for the access option and the go to the line and the choose the line color is a black. Okay, the next with the access is with change to the 0.75 to 1.5. Okay, now the access is changed to the text color hidden, so use white color the text color. Okay, the next select for the y-axis. Select for the y-axis and go to the bucket options and the line color change to the black color and width increase to the 1.5. Okay, the change to the XSS font for the time Roman and the font size for the 12 and the color for the black color. Okay, then now the legend also change for the font size for the 12 and the font name for the time Roman. Okay, they choose the bold color is black. Okay, then now the select for the box series, the first one box selected and the choose this one for the gap between the 100%. If you want to increase the gap, reduce the size for the box. Choose 100. Okay, choose for the border color. Before the fill the color for the box, change to the color and the border color change to the black and width increase to 1.5. The next one for the DDS options, choose for the fill the color is red. Next one for the border color is black, change to the width to 1.5. Okay, the next one for the pH, the pH box selected, choose option change to the color green, the blue. Okay, choose the border color the black and the width border for the 1.5. Okay, the title change to the box plot in Excel. Select the title, change it to the font time Roman and the 14 black and the bold. Okay, this is for the box plot creating method in the Excel software. Thank you for watching this video. If you any doubt, leave me the comments in the comment box. I will help you. Thank you.